Welcome to Espresso Supply's booth at the SCAA in Boston, and we've got a number of new products that we're introducing at the show and have had a great response to these products, so I'd like to just kind of take a moment to introduce them to you. So we'll just start down here with the latest is our Bonavita product line of kettles and pour-over products, and so we start with what is really probably the most popular of the kettles right now is the variable kettle, and this allows you to set the temperature to whatever level that you want it to be, and then you can set it and hold it. It'll cycle up till that temperature is reached. Once it's reached, it'll cycle, just up and down a little bit to maintain it. And when you take it off and do your pour, there's also a built-in timer, so you can time how long you want that pouring to happen or how long the extraction. Once you put it back on, just push the hold button, and once again it raises back up to the temperature that you had set. We also have a manual kettle that allows you to use either hot plate or induction heat, and it's very versatile. You can also take it from a hot water tower, from Marco or some other tower, and just put your hot water in so you can dispense it. We also have the Bonavita coffee makers. This is designed to provide essentially a pour-over process within a traditional coffee maker, and it's very straightforward. It's very simple, I think very attractive lines to it. It has a kettle with the filter, and it's glass lined for better insulative results, and there's also a lid that you could put on it when you're going to be storing it to keep it warm. So the machine itself, maybe you can come in a little close. There is, at the top, you can see up here where it's got the basically a shower head at the top, which allows for even distribution of the water, not just in the center, and it creates sort of a pour-over process. And also the design of the filter on the inside, it's hard to see, maybe it's all black, but there's a hole right there. It's a little bit raised, so that allows for a bit of pre-infusion before you start the process. And from the moment you flip the switch to finished brew is about 6 minutes, so very fast. And it's also, this is I think a really great feature, is that it comes apart. Even this comes off. And when you have a coffee maker, as you know, there's a lot of buildup of oils, and it can affect the taste of the coffee. This all can be put in the dishwasher. It's really straightforward and goes back together very simply. This has been probably the most popular product that we've introduced at the show is the Bonavita scale. It's really also very attractive with stainless steel and a tempered glass top. And the beauty of this thing with the pour-over process is you can put, for example, a Chemex on top of here and do your pour-over, and it's a very nice presentation. Everyone can see it, but it's very accurate, and you can set it for, there's also a timer that's involved in it too. It's completely waterproof and a very sensitive scale. And then coming down to some of the newer pitchers that we have the Milk to Perfection pitcher, which is designed with a central column. And the idea behind that is, if you're at a cafe that you have new staff coming on without a lot of experience or a lot of turnover, you have the ability to allow them to steam quality milk right from the beginning. And the idea behind it is you put the steam wand inside behind the column, and it immediately starts swirling, creating a sort of a vortex and creating a better texturing of the milk. So at the very beginning, your staff can be doing good quality milk without a lot of training, and then over time they can move to the traditional pitcher. And there are two sizes. You've got a 32-ounce and a 20-ounce pitcher. And then we also have, in terms of new pitchers, we have the Teflon-coated pitchers that have the Teflon coating all the way around it, so it's very durable. It also allows for the milk to be cleaned out very quickly and thoroughly, no leftover residue, and it's also something that you can use in latte art competitions. Here at the SCAA, the latte art competition, U.S. Championship was using only these pitchers to use it. So very popular. Again, 2 sizes, actually 3 sizes. There's a 12, 20, and a 32 ounce. And then finally, we have the pitcher rinser, which this is a good example here. It has a valve that when you push down on the star, it shoots water into the inside very quickly and with some good force, and it rinses the pitcher out almost immediately, maybe 2 times. Just like that. It's rinsed out. It also makes the pitcher cold. So then a cold pitcher is better than one that's just been steaming milk. Cold is better for quality of the milk. So these are some of the new products. We have more, but I wanted to introduce you to a few of them, and I really thank you for taking the time to watch and learn a little bit about what Espresso Supply has been up to. Thank you so much.